Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak hibachi using an easy method. First, select a quality cut of steak, such as sirloin or ribeye, and trim any excess fat. Next, slice the steak into uniform 1-inch pieces, ensuring they cook evenly. Marinate the steak for at least 30 minutes in a simple soy ginger sauce to infuse it with delicious flavor. This preparation step is key for tender, flavorful hibachi steak. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet or flat-top griddle over medium-high heat, adding a tablespoon of oil. Cook your marinated steak in small batches to prevent overcrowding, which can steam the meat instead of searing it. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, achieving a beautiful brown crust. This quick searing locks in the juices, keeping your steak tender and flavorful, just like at your favorite hibachi restaurant. While your steak rests, it's time for the vegetables. Sauté your favorite hibachi vegetables, such as sliced zucchini, onions, and mushrooms, in the same pan. Cook them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite, which adds great texture to the dish. Finally, drizzle everything with a generous amount of homemade hibachi sauce. This sauce brings all the flavors together, creating that signature hibachi experience right in your kitchen. Your delicious homemade hibachi steak is ready. Serve it immediately alongside some fluffy white rice and your perfectly cooked vegetables. Garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and freshly chopped green onions for an extra burst of flavor and color. This easy method brings the hibachi experience right to your dining table. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.